In this quick video guide, I want to show you how you can resize your video using a tool that is in Adobe Creative Cloud, and it's a free tool, so you can use it. It's really easy, really fast to use, and it's free. So this is the tool itself. I'm going to show you how you can get in here, and this is in Italian, but it's so simple that you don't really need the translator page. I'm just gonna explain everything to you. So first of all, just to reach Adobe Creative Cloud, if you don't have it already, you need to register. You can download it in a desktop version. You also have a web version, and we created other video guides about this topic, so you can search them in the channel. So once you have Credit Cloud, you have your account, you can get in, and you have a home page, then you have apps, and then you have your cloud space, etc., etc. Down here, you have quick actions, or fast tools that you can use. And one of these is the resize video. So it's the one that you can basically use to change the size of a video that you can upload. And you can also find it in the home page here on the middle, and it has like a green icon. So if you click on that resize button, you can then drag and drop the file directly in this space, or you can just click inside here and just navigate into your folder and select one video. Now I've selected this video here. I can start by cropping, so I can crop out part of the footage and just export the rest that it's in the uh, uh, gray area. And then I can also change the format and crop also part of the image. So for example, if I use TikTok, which is vertical, you can see that it's going to crop part of the video. Now, if I click and drag, I can readjust the position and decide what I want to keep and what I want to crop out. And once I'm ready, again, you can also change the size. So maybe if I go all the way down, I can see the full picture there, but it's too small. So you may want to, blow up the middle and make it look better and just resize it like this. Or I can use snapshot, LinkedIn, Instagram X, so the square format of Instagram, for example. Again, readjust the position, change. In this case, I can turn off the audio, so try to customize these presets. And if you want full customization, down at the bottom you find the customized dimensions. So here I can type anything I want in pixels. So I can type a width, so let's say like 146, for example, or 100, and then the height. So if I unlock the proportions, I can do whatever I want. Otherwise, I can start, let's say, with a default YouTube format from here, and then go back to customize and lock the proportions, just make this a little bit smaller. So maintaining the same ratio with the width and the height. Or again, I can unlock and do whatever I want with this size, with the height and the width. And again, I can crop by resizing. When I'm ready, I click on download, and that's it. Now I just need to wait. It's gonna take some time depending on the length of the video, but just be patient and you will find it in the folder. And that's it. So this will be all for this quick video guide. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please subscribe to the channel to stay updated for more. And please join the channel to support us. So thanks again. Go check our other video courses and video guides, and see you in the next.